This video is the second in a series of 3 explaining how to program the Series 4 control box. Part 1 explains how to program 4 positions, and Part 3 shows how to activate the one-touch control. First, here's an overview of the keyboard layout. From left to right, we have the number 1 key, which is also the Enter key while in program mode, keys 2 through 4, the display area, and the up and down arrows. Here's a side note. P01 is always the default displayed when entering program mode. For reference, here's what all the P0 numbers represent. Let's start by programming the lower container stop. The first step is to move the desk to the lowest safe position. This will represent the lower container stop. We'll need to enter the program mode, which is done by pressing the up arrow rapidly 4 times. You will hear a musical chime and P01 is displayed. To access the lower container stop, press an arrow key until reaching P06. Press the number 1 key, and the lower container stop is programmed. If you need to remove this lower container stop, we're going to follow exactly the same steps we used to program it. Enter program mode, arrow to P06, press the number 1 key. That's it. The lower container stop is removed. Programming and removing the upper container stop uses the same procedure. First, position the desk to the highest safe position that will be your upper container stop. Enter program mode, arrow to P07, press the number 1 key to enter the upper container stop. Use these same steps to remove the upper container stop. Enter program mode, arrow to P07, press the number 1 key. The upper container stop is removed. To watch other videos and learn more about RightAngle products, visit our website at r8products.com. If you need to contact customer support, call 800-298-4351 or send us an email at orders@r8products.com. Thank you for watching.